Hi guys, welcome to another edition of Mastering Marketing. I'm Pradyut Hande, Senior Growth Marketer and Product Evangelist at Netco Solutions. And today I'm going to talk about the application of artificial intelligence to your marketing efforts. Ladies and gentlemen, artificial intelligence has gone on to become more than just a buzzword. It has gone on to transition from just being a mere manifestation of sci-fi imagination to actually becoming a tangible business advantage today. In fact, a recent PwC study clearly stated that 72% of the marketers interviewed during the study outrightly said that artificial intelligence today bestows them with a massive competitive sustainable advantage. For anything related to artificial intelligence, data becomes your foundation, your oil, and your soil. And when it comes to artificial intelligence in your marketing efforts, that same data is your customer data. Whether it is their demographic, geographic, technographic, psychographic, or behavioral data, all of that goes into creating complex AI-based models to help you predict what your customers are going to do next across both your websites and mobile apps. Now that we've seen what artificial intelligence can mean for marketers like you, it's important to understand what are the key challenges that AI can help you resolve. Marketers today grapple with four key challenges, or what I call the 4 Rs. Every marketer today needs to deliver the right message to the right customer through the right channel and at the right time. Let's look at the first R now, delivering the right message. When it comes to your marketing communication, the first thing that your customers or your users see is your subject line or your campaign title. Regardless of which channel you're using, whether it be email, SMS, mobile push notifications, or in-app messages, your campaign title holds paramount importance. So it helps to grab the attention of your customers right from the get-go. With the help of artificial intelligence and sentiment analysis, you can now embed high conversion keywords right in your subject lines. What do we mean by that? It essentially means that different customers react in different ways to your marketing communication. Over a period of time, you can analyze their historical responses to your marketing communication and figure out what are the best keywords to include in your campaign titles and subject lines. For instance, in the case of an e-commerce platform during the time of Christmas, there are certain segments of customers that react to the word sale more. There are certain customers that might react better to the word discount more. So you need to figure out and analyze how different customer segments react to different keywords and embed them in the same. Furthermore, you can further optimize the content within your campaigns itself, whether it's an email, whether it's a push notification, based on the historical responses, the open rates, and the reactions of your customers. You can figure out what sort of content you want to embed within the communication body itself. These can include keywords, these can include images and CTAs to optimize for the best and highest possible conversion rates. And that brings us to the second R, delivering the right message to the right customer. Now, when it comes to the right customer, it's very critical to understand which user segments you want to target with the most personalized, contextual, and timely communication possible. With the help of artificial intelligence, you can now actually manage churn and predict churn. What does churn mean? You have a large customer base and it is impossible to retain 100%. Whether you are a website or a mobile app, churn is definitely an inevitability. But with the help of AI, you can now predict what your users are going to do based on their historical behavior exhibited on your website and your mobile app. How many times do they launch your mobile app? What are the kind of products do they add to their cart and view in general? How do they respond to your marketing communication? Using a variety and a basket of factors, the power of AI can now help you predict which user segments are most at risk of churning. Based on these actionable insights, you can then craft highly personalized and effective engagement campaigns that can arrest churn based on the preemptive data. And that brings us to the third R, delivering the right message to the right customer on the right channel. Your customers are not homogeneous, right? Each one of them reacts in a very different manner to your product offering and your marketing campaigns. You need to understand that if one customer reacts better and responds better on email as a channel, there could be another customer segment that reacts better to mobile push notifications. With the power of artificial intelligence, you can actually analyze the responses based on historical data of your entire customer base and identify customer segments that can be engaged on a channel of their preference. Which means that the same marketing campaign can then be sent to different customer segments across various channels. You could actually leverage channels like email, SMS, mobile push notifications, and web messages depending upon the historical behavior exhibited by your customers at large. So, identifying the preferred channel to engage with your customers becomes a key element in leveraging artificial intelligence in uplifting your marketing campaigns and performances. And that brings us to our fourth R, delivering the right message to the right customer through the right channel and at the right time. The timeliness of your marketing communication and campaigns is critical to success and conversions, which is why artificial intelligence can help you optimize the send times of your marketing campaigns across channels. Based on the historical responses and reactions of your customer base across various channels, you can then figure out what is the sweet spot when it comes to what time you want to send your marketing communication to optimize for the maximum results and marketing ROI. For instance, with regards to the same campaign, you can actually target users who have shown a propensity to be more active and respond to their marketing communication early in the morning between 6 to 8 am versus customer segments that are more active during midday around 11 to 12. Stay tuned for more exciting content of this nature to understand and realize how you can elevate conversions by almost 20 to 25% using the power of artificial intelligence.